Look what going. Parish, no one go to the church. Hearse run away down in a blood pit.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Look what going. Parish, no one go to the church. Hearse run away down in a blood pit. Tosco pen and nobody in a church hearse. How are this?
The soul was just like
nah, kid. But this a Dvppy have something planned up?
Something wrong. And you know lick up me nothing?
Boy?
Look at babes. My God Almighty. The hearse the way down a bush down so.
the soul was just
Something wrong.
Dvppy are Jamaica.
Nobody in the hearse. Then out and that's the way they drive go around the same way. Them in the hearse park up at church again.
why did they keep to the stadium in Washington? Enjoy it.
Lord God. Problem. Lord God. Uproar. This a drama, more drama, this a one. I never see this. He broke down 3 times before he reached and then he reached and decided to go down a gully. He look like person like Emmanuel drive yours. Oh my God. Look there. No sir.
How would it fall busy issue?
It a come back up man, a 4-wheel drive there, you're supposed to can come back up easy. Oh God.
Jaja sees. Jaja knows. My people, let me tell you something. Zane, alright. Let the people would think, say, you know. Spirit out there for real, you know. Eh? You know, face. Then see him like how you have the Almighty. Remember the devil out there, man? So the spirit them, now the devil, the farmer, the devil that, Hearse brought down 3 times. Them say, and then Hearse run down a gully. Eh? Jaja see that person where the Hearse a carry, not ready for bury yet. That the man then ready for go done yet, my people. You understand? He not ready for go done, but in the day, he gone done. Because no matter what, if them have to go get even some bull cow and some donkey, them have got joy done there and it a go done. You understand? But it decides say no one go done. Hearse brought done 3 times, you know. Then Hearse run gone down a cow past a gully. We done this so. You know see that, my people? Eh? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Dvppy real, and a lot of them they are Jamaica. When you listen to some Dvppy story and then tell about them rolling calf thing there, you understand? Of course, spirit out there for true. Spirit out there for true. You understand? But kuya, it decides say what? Today is not the day it want go. Well then that's a late rest, but today is the day it no want go 6'6" for people. But as me say, the end of the day it a what? Board box a wait pan it, he did that the board box already, but he decide say he don't want to go down, but he hold the day a wait with a support car where them want to put it on my people. It a wait for it and him a go down in it. You understand? Pargy or Parry or Parky or where one name, it's going down there. You understand? So my people, big up to yourself. Thank you again for the love and for the support. Every like, every share, every comment. One team, one dream, one scheme. And remember to do a like, share, and subscribe, my people. Peace out. Blessings. Dvppy real.